Is it true that we only use 10% of our brain? Well, the answer is yes and no. The thing is, the brain is organized in such a way that different parts of the brain do different things. So we're not really using 100% of our brain all the time, because that just does not make sense. But what we do is we use different parts of the brain at different times in order to carry out certain functions. Your frontal lobe can help you with things like speech and movement. Your occipital lobe can help you with things like vision. Your temporal lobe can help you with things like hearing. And so depending on what task we're trying to do, we access different parts of the brain at different degrees in order to carry out that function. And certain parts of the brain are more necessary than others. For example, if somebody were to get a brain bleed in their thalamus, the opposite side of their body could potentially become paralyzed. Whereas if you were to have that same brain bleed happen in the right frontal lobe in a right-handed individual, then the results would be very different. If that bleed doesn't involve the motor cortex or the speech areas of the frontal lobe, then you might not even notice they had this bleed at all. Sometimes it can cause